Meaning of distort.
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 Distort. Distort means to alter or change the shape, appearance, or sound of something in a way that makes it appear untrue or different from its original state. Objects, images, and sounds can all be distorted. The result of distortion depends on the context. In visual arts or photography, distortion can be used to create an artistic effect or to correct perspective. However, in communication, distortion can lead to misunderstandings or misrepresentation of facts. In audio production, distortion can be used to create specific sound effects, but too much distortion can cause noise or decrease quality.